Today we're changing the oil on the filter in my 2016 Honda Odyssey. Here's the oil, filter, and tools that you'll need for the job. Alright, I'm like on the 4th or 5th daggum iteration of this. I had to call the wife to come do this. Alright, to reset the oil, light. Go. Push the start button. You're supposed to push it a second time. Now she's scrolling through. Got to the oil life service. She's reading the manual at the same time. Are you holding it? Okay. Her feet are off the pedals. There it goes. Now it's blinking in reset mode. Now what are you doing?
Hold it for 5 seconds.
Let off and it's holding again. That's what it kept doing to me. Now she's pushing it every which way. Gosh, it's so angering. Well, there it went. It took three different sessions.
I had to push it 3 times.
There you go.